If you are one of those people who look for ideas useful in making apps, here are 3 recommendations. First, you can make a mobile game. Historically, games have always been popular. There is, however, a difference between a computer game and games before the advent of the digital age. In the old games, the gamer often behaved like an actor playing a role. The purposes and results of old games were always the same. But in a computer game, games can create their own settings and strategies. To win, Lego is the precursor of most computer games. A gamer playing Lego creates and builds toy houses or toy cars. If you were interested in creating a game app, you would need to create characters that can be used in creative ways. For example, you can allow your characters and therefore potential gamers to choose from among strategies. They should have the ability to predict the consequences of their actions. Second, you can make a tool. It is obvious that an app is a tool itself. However, if you could make an application like an app for drawing, painting, simulating making a house, allowing drivers to become aware of dangers ahead of them when driving on the road, and so on, you would be able to achieve much as a maker of digital tools. As such, you would of course need to initially have sufficient knowledge about your topics. A good example of such apps is Google Maps. You couldn't probably alone create such an application. It's the product of several generations of scientists, engineers, and cartographers, along with several generations of computer scientists, programmers, and app makers. Third, you can make an app that is useful in educating users. The main question in this type of application is how users can have easy and fast access to knowledge. Imagine a book called Dictionary. You might want to look for it in an actual library and open it and find pages in it. Another option is to have a digital version of it on your mobile device. There is a big difference with regard to the amount of time that you would spend and the weight that you would carry. But it should also be borne in mind that the majority of educational apps are built upon the model that old-style dictionaries have been using for many centuries. That is, classifying, using categories and subcategories. This model is in fact central to creating a UI table view in Xcode. My 3 videos named How to Make an iOS using Xcode and Swift 3 help understand the substructure of making an educational app. We need to remember that education is a great part of every person's life, and there is always demand for apps that make earning education easy and fast. I also want to seize the opportunity and introduce my app, Intelligence Meter, as an example of an educational app using UI view tables. You can search my app, Intelligence Meter, in the App Store. Thank you.